My name is Oishee Sen. I'm from Kolkata and I availed for the BRDS DVD pack after getting selected for NID, the first phase. My experience was quite good because there were detailed modules provided. After I got selected for the first phase, I was completely clueless about what kind of things are done in the studio test, and that's when I found out about BRDS and I availed for the DVD pack. And the modules provided there were completely detailed, and the clay modeling and the wire work, everything, ebooks were provided, so I got a whole idea of what kind of activities are covered in the studio test. But the thing I like most about the DVD pack, I guess, is the tips they gave for the portfolio and the interview, because I had a complete misconception about the portfolio that less is more, but after the going through the BRDS DVD, I continued to expand my portfolio, and the interview tips they gave are also really helpful. I was completely not familiar with the materials that were being given in the studio test, so I got to play with a lot of Chinese clay and straws and make structures out of them, which are being asked in the studio test itself. So I got a lot of help from that. And apart from that, for the AV tasks, I got to know a lot of things and what I should concentrate on while watching the clips that were provided in the test. And my portfolio itself was reviewed in a lot of detail, and I got a lot of advice on what to add if I have time and what I should omit and stuff like that. So yeah, my experience was quite good. I'm extremely elated that I got selected this year for the NID course, foundation course, and I think BRDS played a really vital role for my selection, because they gave me a lot of last moment help about what kind of materials I should be familiar with, and I think that helped me crack the studio test.